Namaskar friends. This video is a quick refresher on vowels in Hindi. We'll cover each vowel's pronunciation, how they are written, and provide examples of words that begin with them. Whether you are new to Hindi or just need a quick review, this video will help you reinforce your understanding of these essential sounds. So, let's jump right in. First of all, vowels are known as swar in Hindi, and the first vowel of Hindi is A. A is pronounced as the pronunciation of A in the word ago or U in the word up. It's a short vowel and has no matra or symbol. Its sound is blended in the consonants. For example, K and M. Words starting with A are anar, that is a pomegranate, and ajgar, that's a python. Next is A. A is pronounced as the pronunciation of A in the word father or fa. It's a long vowel and is represented by this symbol, which is known as akar and is written after the consonant whose sound it impacts. For example, ka or ma. Words starting with A are aag, that is fire, and aam, that's a mango. Then we come to E. E is pronounced as I in the word bit or sit. It's a short vowel and is represented by this symbol. The matra is written before the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, ki or mi. Words starting with E are imli, that is tamarind, and imarat, that is a building. Then we come to E. E is pronounced as the letters double E in the word sea or tree. It's a long vowel and is represented by this symbol, which is written after the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, ki and me. Words starting with E are eek, that is sugarcane, and eat, that is brick. Then we move on to the swar U. U is pronounced as the letter U in the word put or double O in the word foot. It's a short vowel and is represented by the symbol as you can see. And the matra is written below the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, ku and mu. Words starting with U are ullu, that's an owl, and udan, that's a verb for flying. Now we come to the swar U. U is pronounced as double O in the word food or mood. It's a long vowel and is represented by this symbol, which is written below and joined to the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, ku or mu. Words starting with U are oot and oon. Then comes A. A is pronounced as E in the word bed or set. It's a long vowel and is represented by this symbol, which is written above the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, K or may. Words starting with A are ek, that is one, and ektara, that's a single string musical instrument. Then we come to I. The pronunciation of I is as in the word I'll or the word I. It's a diphthong, that means it's a combination of two vowels and is represented by this symbol, which is written above the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, kai or mai. Words starting with I are ainak, that is glasses, or ashwarya, that is prosperity. Then we come to O. O is pronounced as O as in the word go or so. It's a long vowel and is represented by this symbol, which is written after the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, ko and mo. Words starting with O are os, that is dewdrops, and oakley. Then we come to au. Ow is pronounced as AU in the word out or cow. It's a diphthong again and is represented by the symbol which is written after the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, cow and mau. Words starting with au are aurat, that's a woman, and aujar, that are instruments or weapons. Is pronounced as am in the word some. It's a nasalized vowel and is represented by this dot which is placed above the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, come or mum. Words starting with are angur and andar, which means inside. And we come to the last swar, that is aha, which is pronounced as ah as in the word aha. It's a visarg and is represented by the symbol colon, which is written after the consonant whose sound it affects. For example, kaha or maha. So friends, thank you for joining me for this quick refresher on Hindi vowels. I hope you found it helpful in enriching your understanding and pronunciation. Don't forget to practice these sounds and words in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing for more Hindi language tips. Thank you so much for your time. आपके समय के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care.